runnings again. What the heck?
All I ever wanted was a black Grand National.
You a man, baby. I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby.
This evening, we'll be running the pop-up, the buddy heater. The wind is whipping tonight, so we'll be using these screws and this drill. These will be the trick. Confetti drops. Minnows in here, some minners. Put them in a bucket. My dad took the bait container, so well, we're using a bucket, but yeah, I'm gonna get everything loaded up in the truck and we'll get after them. Ready? All right, we got the house all set up, chairs in it, propane on, Vex is down the hole. All right, we got Tucker, we got Brendan. All right, we're about to hammer some crappies tonight. Let's get to it. All right, we couldn't get the camera on this guy, but marked him at 10 feet. We're fishing in 14. He shot up right away. This is a little guy, so we're gonna toss him back, but hey, we're not skunked, guys.
True. Yeah.
I think we're the deucer. No. Yeah, we'll keep him. Make sure he doesn't get him deucer. Oh yeah, Tucker. Nice crappie. Crappies. All right, guys, this is absolutely chaotic. I don't even know how many we have in our bucket right now. We probably have around like 6 or 7. We've been fishing for 5 minutes, absolutely hammering them. Nice size 10-inch crappies. 10s, 11s. We're gonna get back down there. Get Tucker.
Oh, this one's not anything too big. I don't think, anyways.
Mine's
Oh, it
staring
just
at
came off right at the bottom of the hole.
Come on.
Very light bite. It's okay, it wasn't that big anyways.
Yeah, don't they bite crazy light? Mine went away. Alright, so it is 6:06. I don't know why, but the bite has just came to an absolute stop for some reason. But we have 10 in the bucket. All like 10 to 13-inch crappies. But yeah, our plan is to be out here pretty late to get our 3-man limit, but one of my friends has to leave around 11, 10:30ish. So me and Ziggy will be out here late.
13? That's 13 fish.
13.
Catch. Oh. Good catch. Good catch.
Oh.
Yeah,
Nice
he's
crappie in the bucket.
You start doing, I'm gonna get the propane going. Battery is right.
Just barely hooked on.
We'll throw that one back though. We can get bigger.
It's a little smaller.
Yeah, still not bad. Just pull it out of its mouth. Walleyes, boys. Walleyes rolled in. Ready?
Yep.
Bye-bye, buddy.
Caught this one at 8 feet. Got wrapped around my deucer and still came up with it. It's a pretty decent one.
All right. After probably, I'd say a half hour, caught this little doink. We're gonna throw him back, obviously, but little guy.
Tucker with
nice
one.
little one.
It's probably gonna go in the bucket.
Yeah, that's
Another keeper. We got Jude. Got a fish on the Vexlar. Decent sized fish right there. Dude, his lip is like ripped. Dude, that thing is a beaut. It's a big one. Back on the board.
Back
Jude
on
just
the
missed the
board.
fish.
Jude just missed, and there's a lot of fish down there actually right now.
Getting marks again.
Gotta
Go.
get back down there.
Just do it. Just do it.
I'm deep off the bottom.
4 feet off the bottom. As soon as the camera comes back on, you fart again? Alright, it's time for Tucker to leave. Sad days. Sad days.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. We'll be back. Friday. Friday.
Another one on the board. Let's freaking go.
Catch it anymore?
Yeah, we just caught 2. This is a frying pan, Dad. Look at it.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
I don't know where your zipper's there.
Bottom.
Oh, that's a decent
And then look at that one.
one. Nice.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Had something hit the rattle reel, but it didn't take it.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, good luck. Just make sure you don't have over your limit.
Alright, this crappie makes it our 2-man limits. Now we have 20. So from now on, we're going to be tossing it down the hole. So, yeah, nice keeper. It's our last keeper of the day. That is sweet. Oh my god, I just lost him. Oh, sucker went away. Alright guys, so me, Tucker, and Brendan ended with 20 fish. My dad is over here. This is what he caught. 7 right there. He's in the permanent shack, sleeping right now, but alright, we're packing up the pop-up, getting everything loaded back up in the truck. Sweet setup for the night though. Alright guys, I just got done cleaning all those crappies, but stay tuned for the next video. Next weekend I'm going to be going back out and hopefully get onto a good bite again, but I hope that was a good video for you guys, and stay tuned for next weekend.